In Olympic weightlifting, every lift tells a story. For Taissa Barrette, that story is one of resilience, precision, and relentless progress. Born in 2000 and based in Tacoma, Washington, she represents Team StrengthWorks under the guidance of coach Zachary Larson. At 26 years old, she competes in the women's 86 kg category, a demanding heavyweight division where she has established herself as a technical standout. Her journey into competitive sports began in CrossFit, but she soon transitioned fully into Olympic lifting, where she discovered and mastered her unique technical signature, the squat jerk. Rarely seen in American competitions, especially in the heavier weight classes, this style requires extraordinary mobility and balance, and it has become her trademark on the platform. Her rise through the ranks was nearly derailed by a serious wrist injury that required significant surgical intervention, including the placement of a metal plate and 7 screws. For a heavyweight lifter relying on wrist stability, this could have been career-ending. Instead, it became the foundation for an inspiring comeback. After careful rehabilitation, she marked her return to major competition at the StrengthWorks 3.0 Grand Open in November 2025. There, she achieved a significant breakthrough, totaling 145 kilograms with a 65 kg snatch and an 80 kg clean and jerk, securing a bronze medal. Her momentum carried directly into the prestigious Arnold Sports Festival in March 2026. Stepping onto one of the biggest stages in the sport, she competed in the W86 category and proved her continued evolution. She set a new competition personal record in the snatch at 67 kilograms, matched her 80 kg clean and jerk using her signature squat jerk, and raised her total to 147 kilograms. What sets Taissa apart is not just the numbers she lifts, but the meticulous way she lifts them. Her squat jerk is a technical rarity, her comeback is a testament to resilience, and her steady improvement shows she is focused on reaching the highest levels. Supported by her team and nutrition partners, she continues to refine every detail of her training. From a shattering injury to setting personal records on national platforms, Taissa Barrette has proven that setbacks are only setups for greater lifts. At 26, she is a competitor to watch in the women's 86 kg class, and her story on the platform is far from over.